Hi guys, it's me again, and it's time for a lift tour. This time I'm at the Plaza shopping centre in Palmerston North. All of the lifts are Schindler MRLs. Now first let's ride the big lift, well, big-ish anyway. Let's ride that lift which goes from the ground floor, which is the shopping centre, then up to car park levels 1 and 2. Here is a Schindler lift at the Palmerston North Mall. It's a Schindler MRL. Here it is. Centre open 2-speed doors. Let's go up to 2. We are at 2. Right, thanks G. Nice interior-ish. Oh, we're stopping on 1. Going down? Yeah. Here we are back at ground. That's it. Now let's ride another Schindler MRL lift. This lift goes from the basement car park, then up to ground floor, then up to car park level 1. I don't know why the floor numbering is different here, but I think that it's actually a different car park, but I'm not sure. Here's another Schindler lift at the Schindler MRL lift at Palmerston North Shopping Centre. It's got those stupid generic indicators. As this is ground. That's 1. Here we are at 1. We'll try basement. Very similar interior to the last one. Extremely nice. This is a lot smaller than the other lift. Here are at B. There it goes. And next to that lift was some escalators. Here's a Schindler escalator. That's it. And now, finally, let's ride the Schindler MRL in Farmers. This lift goes from the basement, which is really just a back exit to the street, then it goes up just 1 metre to the ground floor, then it goes up to the first floor. This is the lift at Farmers in the Palmerston North Mall. Another Schindler. Here it is. Generic indicators again. Yeah, nice interior. Shouldn't have done a good job here. Yeah. How's it ground? Ground or B?
Ground.
Oh, I didn't do this.
Now round.
You get rid of?
That's not the box door.
Yes. Oh no, that's the right floor.
This one's got two 2 doors. There it goes. That's it.